Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the DND or focus mode state and its schedule. This tells you if silence is intentional. Next, check ringer and media volume sliders, because DND can silence notifications, but not alarms. Once done, inspect focus exceptions so calls or apps aren't blocked. Make sure alarms and emergency bypass remain allowed. These first steps separate configuration issues from hardware problems and let you proceed with targeted fixes without guessing. Now dig into advanced settings, toggle DND or focus off then back on, and reboot the device to clear audio routing glitches. While rebooting, check each app's notification permissions and summary settings so banners and sounds aren't suppressed. Also examine Bluetooth, AirPlay, or wired output because sound may be routed elsewhere. If you find an active headset or car connection, disconnect it and test. These steps resolve most software conflicts that mute notifications unexpectedly. Finish by testing with multiple alert types. Set a short alarm, send a test text, and make a call so you verify sounds across systems. If problems persist, reset network settings or perform a full settings reset after backing up your data because corrupted preferences can block audio. One key tip: boot into safe mode or check for an OS update. Safe mode isolates third-party apps, and updates often patch audio or DND bugs. If that fails, contact support for hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.